Hello VC, I'm Dirk. Welcome to the Fivehole. I am going to tell you tonight about a very special record to me. But first I want to celebrate the fact that I have just bypassed the astounding number of subscribers of 10. That's right, 10 subscribers. In fact, I'm past that. I've got 11 subscribers. Very exciting day. So, what I want to talk to you about is the very first record that I ever bought with my own money. And I'm pretty sure all that I had at the time to listen to it on was a Fisher-Price record player. And from what I recall, it actually worked pretty well. But I'd have to listen to it again to be sure. Anyhow, I got this record when I was probably 6 or 7 years old, and one of my friends was having a garage sale. I went over to his house and I saw this record there, and I must have been drawn to the colors of it because I had no freaking idea who anybody on the record was. So I ran home and I begged my parents for the whopping sum of 25 cents that the record cost. Looking back on it, I think I might have been taken. But they gave me the quarter, and I ran back around the block to my friend's house, and I picked up the record. And I still have it here today with me. And this is That Love. K-Tel. Fantastic. 22 original hits by the original stars. And actually, it's got some good stuff on it. It's got some pretty mediocre stuff too. But first I should probably say something about this label. Some of you who are of the appropriate age will recognize this, but up here, K-Tel, these guys used to sell everything on the TV when I was a kid. And they kind of pioneered the whole idea of television sales of products. The guy who started this company actually started by selling knives, and he moved on to music at some point. Now there's a whole catalog of these K-Tel albums out there, and they're usually compilations just like this with some kind of topic that holds them all together. This one apparently is held together by Fantastic. So, anyway, you would see ads for K-Tel on TV, 5-10 times a day, easy.
K-Tel presents Fantastic, a great new album. 22 fantastic hits. Original stars, Don, Elton John, Vicki Lawrence, The Sweet, Maureen McGovern, Dory, Les Emerson, Jim Stafford, Lobo, Barry White, New York City, Charlie Daniels, Chester, Sam Peters. Get Fantastic, a great new album. 22 fantastic hits, only $4.99. Each back or cassette, $5.99.
So their competitor was Ronco. You might know them from the Pocket Fisherman. Anyway, so this was my album. I was proud of it. I actually played it a lot of times. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to my 11 newest subscribers and only subscribers. I really appreciate you coming and listening to me babble. I'd love to hear what anybody had for their first record, and if they still have it. I can't believe I still have this, but I do. And I might actually throw it on tonight and have a listen. Anyway, thanks again, and happy birthday to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. We'll see you all next time. Bye.